Hi, here we will see the difference between regression and classification. The regression is one of the predictive modeling approach to investigate the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. Here the independent variables are called predicting variables and dependent variable is called here the continuous variable. So here the dependent variable is having the continuous values like the between the some range like 2.3, 1.1, 1.0, 2.25 like that. So here the dependent variable is called outcome variable, and one more name for the independent variable is explanatory variable. The straight line equation for the linear regression is here y dash equal to theta 0 plus theta 1 x1. Here theta 1 is the slope and theta 0 is the y intercept. So here which is giving you relationship between the independent variable x and dependent variable y. How this data is very close to this decision boundary straight line. So wherever the data is close to this decision boundary, then we can say this data point x is very a strong relationship with y, right? So here the y is strongly depending on the variable x. That is the meaning which is interpreted from the linear regression. Likewise, when you are taking the classification, the classification is measures the relationship between independent variables. Here x1, x2, two independent variables are there. So another name of the independent variables is features and the discrete dependent variable. Here the dependent variable y is having the discrete values. Here you look at that this is banana and another one is also banana, third one is orange. So here there is uh, the values are mentioned in the form of discrete values. So here we have the continuous values in the form of numericals. Here we will have the discrete values in the form of mostly categorical values. Suppose if these values are represented in the form of numericals, it will represent, for example, a banana will be represented as 0, orange will be represented as 1. Suppose if you are having apple here, then that will be represented as 2. So it will given with discrete values. It will not have the fractional part like this 2.5. The fractional part will not be available in the labels of logistic regression data set, I mean classification data set. Okay, so here which is using the functions like sigmoid function or softmax function, depends upon the algorithms, classification algorithms. It will use different functions. For svm also we are having a different function for classifying the given data set. For example, here you look at that the given data set is having two types of fruits. Here the two types of fruits are categorized in the form of plot. These are given in one data set. Okay, so here are this is also available in this group. So green colors data points are classified as class A or class banana, and the red color data points are classified as one class. Here you look at that this is also one class, class B, right? And here there is the green color data points available in the wrong side. You look at that this data point and this one available in the wrong side, that is which is belongs to the class B, but which is this is belongs to class A. So these data points are misclassified, that is there is the error in our developed machine learning model. So here this error to be solved before releasing as a product. So here also here red color data points mentioned, so these are also misclassified data. Totally, you look at here, 6 data points are misclassified using both class A and class B data set. So here we are categorizing the given data set into two different classes, so that is called classification, which is also shows the relationship between the dependent variable here and independent variable. So how it is having the relationship between dependent and independent variables. So here we are having two independent variables, x1, x2. Thanks for watching.